Ever wondered how massive aircraft engines, worth millions, are transported safely across the world without a scratch? It's not as simple as loading them onto a truck. There's a precise system behind it, and today we're breaking it down. Aircraft engines aren't just heavy, they're incredibly sensitive and high-value components. Each one has unique dimensions, weight distribution, and fragile parts that require careful handling. That's why transportation starts with detailed planning and expert coordination. Before shipping, the engine is carefully prepared. Fluids are drained, parts may be removed, and everything is secured. Then it's placed in a custom-built crate or mounted on a specialized stand with padding to absorb shock and prevent vibration damage. Depending on distance and urgency, aircraft engines can travel by truck, cargo plane, or even sea freight. Ground transport uses specialized trailers with advanced suspension systems to minimize vibration, while air freight is faster but more expensive. Strict aviation regulations govern every step of the process. Organizations like the FAA and international aviation bodies require proper documentation, secure handling, and compliance with safety standards. This ensures the engine arrives in perfect condition, ready for installation. For international shipping, logistics teams coordinate customs clearance, route planning, and timing to avoid delays. With proper planning, delivery can take just a few days domestically or a couple of weeks globally. Transporting an aircraft engine is a mix of engineering precision and logistics expertise. Done right, it's seamless, and that's what keeps aviation moving.